Hello, today our topic is about network information gathering tool, and we are presenting Pradeep, Rajandeep, and Vivek Vardhan. So I'm going to discuss about the network information gathering tool. So here is the overview. A network penetration testing tool of a network discover enable active and passive ARP recurrence. It employed with the compiling of all the critical data regarding the network. It compiles the data about the router and the clients that are connected. Kali Linux has a various information gathering tools using its IP address. Whether whatever the website it has been, the various networks, it gonna be like track with the IP addresses. The network design, the net discover is one of the tool that use it to discover the information from the network using its IP address. So whatever we use the IP website, it gonna be like tracked with the IP address with the corresponding to its website. It compiles data about the router and the clients which are connected. The net discovery is performed as an active and passive ARP reoccurrence tool. The tool captures the network device information of IP address at MAC address, count of connecting devices, length, and the host name with total size of ARP repackets. So this is the capture of the information which device it might be. It gonna track with the IP address, MAC addresses, and the connection of devices, the how many devices which are connected with the length as well as the host name. Here is the net discover after net discovering of a tool has to be installed, configured, and demonstrated with the Kali Linux operating system. Here is the installation with the help of sudo apt get install net discover. The installation process has been performed with the Kali Linux server. Here is the view. Here is the sample image, which is we just like presenting here. The Kali Linux Studio apt installing the net device, which are building in the dependency tree regarding the state information has been followed here. The upgraded version that we are using at the moment. So upgraded with the newly installed and 0 to be removed and 640 was not upgraded. So after operation, so we are going to configure it. Here's the configuration. The net discover has been configured on the Kali Linux with the options that are listed here. The major options that are determined by the net discover tool are device range and file passive mode, filter, time, node count, and etc. Here is the connection with the configuration. Connection 1 finished. So you can see everything here on the screen. Connection 1, connection 2, connection 3, all on the sequence which is followed by, and the configuration is done successful. Here you can see download 5.1 megabyte in 5 seconds. So we are going to capture ARP packets. The tool captures the network device information of IP address at the MAC address, count of connecting devices, lengths, and the host name, and the total size of the ARP regulated packets. Using the IP address, the device information, list of packets, and multiple range of functions are performed in the net discover. The results are listed in the total packets captured by the network. The active and passive scan. The above screen represents the active and passive scanning of the network. That is the IP address which is represented here 122.127. IP address is 10.0.2.2 and 10.0.2.3, which is like successfully count here the two, and the length is 128 for the second count. It's and the devices are listed in the ARP request and the packet request which are scanned and completely hosted here. Thank you. This is our PPT presentation, and we are going to demonstrate with the with it. Thank you.